Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Zucchini and Apron. We're going to make some zucchini bread today. A lot of folks say they don't like zucchini bread, but if you'll give this one a try, I think you're going to like it. Okay, I'm starting off with 1 cup of zucchini. Now, when we get our zucchini out of the garden, we shred it up into 1 cup bags, and you're gonna don't thaw it out too soon ahead of time, if you've got it in the freezer, that is. But in any juice that comes with this, leave it in there. You need that moisture from that. Okay. So I'm putting that in my mixer over here, by the way. 1 cup of zucchini, and we're going to put 2 eggs in. I want to see. Let me turn you down there so you can see what I'm doing. Sorry. Hang on here. Okay. My cup of zucchini, grated zucchini. 2 eggs. I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla. You know what, I made banana bread earlier and I was supposed to put a teaspoon of vanilla in there and I forgot, so make a note of that if you watched it. You want that recipe. We're going to put unsweetened applesauce in there now. I buy the little cups like this. That way the kids can eat them. The grandbabies can eat it whenever, if nobody else wants it. But I'm going to put 2 of these in there, which should equal out to about ½ cup. Like that. Okay, now we're going to put a cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. We'll lock it in and just turn it on low. Got a cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Sugar in here. If I could get my hand down in there, it'd be so much easier. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's better. Let's see if I let's see if I can actually get that out of there. There we go. Yeah. 1/4 cup. Ta-da. Just pick that up, put it back in there. Oopsie. Okay, on the 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Next on I'm dropping everything, y'all. It used to be hot these days. But 1/3 cup of veggie oil. Okay. Vegetable oil. So I've got my zucchini in, don't drain it. I've got my sugars, I've got my applesauce, I've got my oil, I've got 2 eggs, I've got vanilla extract in there. Now we're going to go ahead and put our flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. So, yeah, that's mixed up good. So, salt. I'm going to do ½ teaspoon of salt. These are so hard for me to see, you all. I know, put your glasses on, Brenda. Okay, ½ teaspoon of salt. I'm going to tap in some nutmeg, about 1/4 teaspoon. Again, you don't have to put it in there if you don't like nutmeg. And we're going to put a little bit of cinnamon in there. About ½ teaspoon. Yeah. Needs those flavors to me. I think it needs those flavors. ½ teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Turn that back on, let it mix that up. going to go ahead and put our flour in. It's all-purpose flour that I'm using. And we'll put 1.5 cups in. I'm using the 4th cup measure again. And 6. There we go. Now, let's get this all mixed up. And let me grab the spatula, and we're just going to scrape our edges. That's the zucchini that's catching on there. I probably should switch it over from the whisk, I think. I think I will. Yeah. Switch it over. Get my zucchini pulled off of there. Let me put my paddle on there. There we go. Now when you scrape this off, don't scrape it over here on the side of your bowl because it's not going to do you any good. You want to scrape it off on your paddle or your whisk, whatever you got on there at the time. Okay, now let's do this slow. Yeah, see how much of that's still down in there? I've already got my pan ready just like I did for the banana bread. And once this gets mixed together, we're just going to go ahead and put it in the pan. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven. I've got the timer on, so I know already, when to take it out. So this one's going to cook for 50 to 60 minutes as well. Okay, now let's lift this up. I think it's mixed really good. Well, yeah, I don't know why this is being contrary, but contrary to beliefs. Okay, I know that wasn't funny. Okay. Keep your day job, Brenda. This kind of is my day job, isn't it? Oh, kind of is. Let's get this pan over here. Y'all see that all right? Okay. I'm just gonna dig down in there and make sure we don't have any pockets of flour or anything still hanging around. Boy, this smells good too. Ooh boy. It smells so good. And let's scrape all that. And yeah, I didn't wash my bowl earlier. It's okay. It's okay. We won't tell nobody, okay? Alright. Now, this is going to go into the oven for about an hour. And then I'll see you in a little while. The timer's going off for the zucchini bread, so let's check it. Look at that, how pretty. I'm pretty sure it's not done yet though. I think it's going to need about 15 minutes or more. Let's see here. Yeah, it's not ready yet. It's going to need about 15 more minutes. So, we'll be back in 15. Ooh, it smells divine though. Okay, there's the zucchini bread. Gonna let it sit here and cool. Pop it loose from the sides there. Right now. Spread some butter on it. Let it go ahead and start be melting. Keeps that top nice and moist. So, and after it cools down a little bit, I'll go ahead and pull it out of the pan here. There we go. All right. That, my friends, is my zucchini bread. All right. So Tom is going to taste each of the breads. And the first one he's going with is Zucchini bread.
I love it. I've always loved your zucchini bread, and this is definitely very good.
And the next one is the banana bread.
Oh, you know, I love banana bread. Yes.
And the last one is the apple walnut bread.
Walnuts in every bite. Hey, thank you, dear. This is very good.
Okie dokie. They're a hit. They're a success. He likes them all, so we're good, y'all. Y'all take care. If you have not subscribed yet, I hope you will. Click that notification bell each time. You will know when we put new content on. Y'all take care. We'll see you next time.